Today I'm going to show you how to change the original regular bulbs on a 2019 Honda Passport. This should be the same for all Passport models, as well as the Honda Pilot, and I believe the Honda Ridgeline. There will be some variations, but right now we have the cover off from the map light, so I'll show you how to do that one on that side. So there's the bulb. We're going to change it to these new LEDs, and I bought a kit from Amazon. I believe it was $15.99. So we're going to pop that in and see how it looks. So you're going to gently pull the bulb out, and as you see, that's the regular incandescent bulb. So we definitely don't want that anymore. These are bulb type 194. I believe that's the number. I've been using these bulbs for quite a while in my past Hondas. Alright, so you just gently push it in, press the button, test it out. As you can see, it's much brighter than the old incandescent bulbs. Alright, so you just gently push that up, make sure it's lined up perfectly straight, push it in slowly and gently. And now I'm going to try to show you how to do this side. It's kind of difficult holding the camera, but we'll see what we can do. So as you can see, you just get the pry tool in there and gently kind of wiggle it in there until you get to a point where you're ready to pull out. So just get it all the way up there and just gently kind of play a little tug of war. But do this gently because these do break easily. I broke the last one on my Acura TSX. So the best way to do it is come over here and just gently pry it down, and as you see, it's ready to give. And once it's ready to give like that, you're good. Now to take the old bulb out, turn the light switch off so you don't hurt yourself. These are hot, so even though it was just on for literally 30 seconds, it is pretty hot. Again, don't squeeze the bulb, just gently wiggle it out and you're good to go. Alright, so we got the bulb in, ready to go. As you can see, it functions properly. If it doesn't light up the first time, you may just have to switch around the bulb, so flip it on the opposite side. Alright, so when you put this plastic cover piece back on, make sure you have it perfectly lined up with the interior, the shape of it. So you see how I have it lined up, and then just gently kind of wiggle it in. See, there's the front side, and then the back side. Clicks right in. Alright, so definitely much better than the old ugly incandescent bulbs. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do the interior light now, which is behind me for the passengers. The Passport Sport model only has the map lights up top, and these interior lights here, you just press them. This should be the same for the EXL and Touring trims, this light here. And there's also one in the trunk that I'll show you real quickly. These actually go horizontal, so you want to basically get the bulb at the right angle, and as you can see there, get it in horizontally and you're good to go. Nice and easy. Now I'm going to try to put the cover on camera, but it looks like you just kind of slide that piece in first and press on those two sides. So always get that side in first. There's a clip right there and you're good to go. So there's a comparison. Here you got the back bulb. It's much harder to reach from the trunk, so just jump in the back. Right, so that's a lot harder than it looks. So basically you get each corner with the pry tool and you force it really hard. Much more difficult than the other sides, but it does come out, and there's your bulb. We're gonna change it. Alright, so we're all done with the LED lighting. That back light is a pain in the butt, I'm gonna be honest with you, but once you stick your pry tool in there, force it out gently, you're good to go. The LED bulb kind of goes in at an angle and you press up, and once you get it in there, you're good to go. Right, so that's how you basically do a LED change on a 2019 Honda Passport. Again, this is a sport model, so I don't get the lights that are down there. I just basically get these little side markers right there. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you guys soon. Thanks.